Ripple XRP holders, what's happening? What's going on? We're going to dive into a lot in this video, and tomorrow is a massive day for XRP, a massive day for all of crypto, and we're going to get into that as well in this video, guys. So tomorrow, we're going to find out which direction we're going to be heading next on the macro side of things. And that's why the market, I think, right now is a little bit on edge. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. I'll give you guys our expectations, and you may have guessed it already. Yes, we're talking about the FOMC meeting. That is right. Jerome Powell speaks tomorrow, and we're going to find out what's next for XRP, what's next for Bitcoin, what's next for Ethereum. How is this market going to respond to the decision made tomorrow when it comes to the FOMC? Now, we do have some other things that we're tracking. Obviously, we're always tracking the price of XRP. We'll start over there because, as I mentioned, the market kind of reflecting this uncertainty here the last couple days to start the week. And we are down a little bit here on XRP, down about 3% in the past 24 hours. The cryptocurrency XRP has experienced heightened volatility this month, and that coincides with the rest of the market. It's been fluctuating anywhere from 230 to 247 with occasional dips down below near $2. But despite these movements, XRP remains 1.6% lower than its price in the previous month, meaning it's not anything crazy here. We're still consolidating as Ripple versus SEC settlement talks are heating up at the same time. See, speculation is mounting regarding a potential resolution in the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. Rumors suggest that the SEC may withdraw its appeal as Ripple's reply brief deadline approaches about a month from now. Such a development could pave the way for XRP spot exchange traded funds, or ETFs, potentially increasing institutional adoption and positively impacting XRP's price. So we're waiting on some of these catalysts to come to fruition. But again, tomorrow's a big day when it comes to the FOMC. And this meeting is probably the most important one we've had, in a while. And I want to get into some of the expectations for FOMC and see kind of what people are saying right now about what's going on. In the same, breath here, real quick, before we get into the FOMC talk, Ripple has minted an additional 28 million Ripple USD tokens over the past 24 hours. RLUSD, of course, their stablecoin, could help take over the stablecoin market. It is a massive stablecoin now built in the United States. XRP will be prepared with RLUSD for this stablecoin revolution, and they're also going to be paired with RLUSD as well. So, coming back to the FOMC, market consensus strongly suggests the Federal Reserve will maintain the federal funds rate at its current range around 4.25%, 4.5%, basically stay pat. Now, this decision aligns with the Fed's cautious approach amid mixed economic signals, including slowing growth and persistent inflation. We did get some good CPI data the last time we checked in on that not too long ago. So people are saying, hey, there's a chance that we could see something else happen. We know that Donald Trump, with tariffs, he's adding complexity to the Fed's policy considerations right now. These tariffs have introduced uncertainty regarding inflation and economic performance, kind of challenging the Fed's reliance on current data and necessitating a more forecast-based approach moving forward. The Fed's updated economic projections will provide insights into how policymakers are going to view the impact of recent trade policies that have been laid out by Trump and obviously other key economic developments and factors. Investors are very much awaiting these projections. This is why tomorrow's so big for XRP and the rest of the crypto market, because all this chatter has heated up with potential, recession risks, which I think is kind of overblown at this point. But it does leave out the possibility of future rate cuts later in the year. And we know rate cuts is what Donald Trump wants. So again, the expectation is we'll stay pat at 4.25%. The economic projections again, will offer guidance on the Fed's outlook amid trade uncertainties. We'll also be paying close attention to what Jerome Powell says. Even if he does keep interest rates the same, what's the forecast for the future? And again, these remarks will be closely monitored for any indications of future monetary policy shifts. And again, this is going to be pivotal in shaping the macro and expectations for the U.S. economy over the next few months. And for XRP, again, we mentioned it. They've got a ton of catalyst out there, you know, in terms of the end of the lawsuit, ETFs, regulation, taxes, and them being the largest U.S.-based company really situates them nicely, I think, moving forward. And we're just going to have to monitor this closely tomorrow. We will be covering it. Make sure you guys are locked in, subscribe to this channel. So we're going to bring you guys up to speed on the latest news and information. I wish we can go, you know, and say that we're not talking about uncertainty anymore, but the market is still in this weird spot. And to me, it's a time to accumulate. You know, anytime XRP gets down near $2, that is where I become a buyer. You know, so here in the last month, we've seen it happen twice. You know, we saw it happen in late February. We saw it happen here on the 10th of March. Then if you zoom out in the last year, we've seen it happen a few different times, end of December, and then those two times that I referenced, end of February, and then on March 10th. Those right now are acting as lines of support here for XRP, right around that $2 mark. We have not tumbled past that, or at least closed the day past that, which is good to see. So we'll be watching things closely for you guys. Again, stay locked in, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out BTCC if you're looking to trade XRP and other top cryptos. And if you're looking for some free XRP, this is a great offer. Come over and trade with us at BidFi. An awesome opportunity to win up to $10,000 in XRP when you sign up and start trading at BidFi right now. Links down below for both of those. I appreciate you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.